Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a custom token to your wallet. So in a previous video we were sending around these Zanolist test tokens to various people here. So what we'll do in this case, I have my Zanolist wallet here and we have another test wallet that we set up just for making YouTube videos here. So for example, if I hit receive on this page, here's my receiving address, right? So I'll copy this to my clipboard and we'll go back to this wallet, send here, and I'll paste my address for this wallet right here, and we are going to send Zanolist test tokens right here, right? So we're going to send one of those, and we'll go ahead and hit send. And there it goes. It's now been sent. And if we go over here to this wallet, we can see assets. We don't see anything. Where is my Zanolist test token? And we can see behind the page here, actually, my transaction just showed up in the memory pool, but on the blocking score here, which actually leads us to here, we can see all the assets here. So here are the whitelisted assets, which is just native Zano. But if we click on all assets, we can see, page after page after page of tokens that people have made, but none of these are whitelisted yet. So in this case, we want to find the Zanolist, there it is, Zanolist test token, right? And we can check this asset ID. That's what we need to have, right? So you can see it in 712. If we go back to the wallet here, where we have the Zanolist test tokens, which is this one here, we can click on asset details and we can say, okay, here's the asset ID also ending in 712. So this asset ID matches the other one. So what we'll do is, it'd be nice, we'll copy this to the clipboard. And if we go back to hit OK, we'll go back to this wallet where it's missing. Where's my Zanolist test token that we know we just sent to the wallet? Well, it's very easy to get it to show up. So we go here and we'll click on whitelist asset. And then we're going to enter the asset ID, right? So we'll paste that. And there it is, ending in 712. Notice it's the same one from the Block Explorer. So you can copy it from the Block Explorer. If you don't have it in your wallet, your friend can send it to you on Telegram or email. Like all you need is the asset ID for the token you're looking for. So now I'll go ahead and click add token. And it says, okay, you added a new asset, right? And we can see like all the details of the asset. Zanolist test token, ZLTT, the current supply and maximum supply are 20, right? And look, there's the one token that we sent previously. So if a token's not showing up in your wallet, make sure that you've added the token ID to your wallet and then it'll show up. And it works exactly the same on iPhone and Android as well as desktop for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So if you're missing a token, that's all you need to do. Just add the token ID and it'll be there. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be showing you all the different ways to use Zano in actual commerce for people around the world and make your own privacy tokens that can't be tracked and can't be traced. And this is really a wonderful tool to bring more control to people over their own finances all over the world. See you in the next one.